In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an email account to QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant, linking your email to QuickBooks is a great way to streamline communication, organize your workflow, and make your financial management more efficient. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to QuickBooks Online. If you're not already logged in, click on the Sign In button in the top right corner of the homepage. Then select QuickBooks Online from the available sign-in options. This ensures you're accessing the correct version for email integration. Next, enter your username and password and click Continue. If you've forgotten your password, no worries. Just use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your QuickBooks Online dashboard, which is the main hub for all your accounting activities. Now, look toward the upper right-hand corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. This is your settings menu. From here, choose Account and Settings. This section is where you can control everything related to your business information, preferences, and connected services. Inside Account and Settings, select the Company tab on the left-hand side. This is where you'll find all the essential details about your organization, including your company name, address, and most importantly, your contact information. Scroll down until you see the Contact Info section and click Edit or the pencil icon beside it. Here, you'll find fields for your company's email address, phone number, and website. If you're adding a new email, type it into the company email field. If you already have an email listed but need to update it, simply replace the old one with your new address. Be sure to double check for typos or extra spaces. Accuracy here ensures all your invoices, statements, and messages are sent to the right place. Once you're satisfied with the email you've entered, click Save and then hit Done at the bottom of the page to confirm your changes. QuickBooks will instantly update your contact information and apply it across your company profile. From now on, any outgoing communications, such as invoices, payment reminders, or receipts, will be sent from your updated email account, keeping everything consistent and professional. And that's it. You've successfully added or updated your email account in QuickBooks Online. This small but powerful adjustment helps you keep your business communications organized and ensures your clients always receive messages from the right address. By keeping your contact info up to date, you'll maintain a smoother workflow and a more reliable accounting experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check out our other QuickBooks guides for more time-saving tips. See you in the next video.